This is going to be a fun and enjoyable video for our community. We're going to jump into our YouTube studio and have a look at some of the analytics from 2021 and see how the channel's done. And I'll show you which data points are the most important to grow your channel and which ones we're focusing on for 2022. Let's jump into the YouTube studio and let me show you how 2021 went. So from YouTube studio, let's go into our channel analytics, and then we're going to head up to the top right-hand side. And we're going to change this to 2021. So in 2021, we got 1.1 million views. We got 23,000 hours of watch time and 4.3 thousand subscribers. And we made $5,400. If you think that's cool, make sure you smash the like button. So the first thing I want us to look at is the click-through rate that we got on our channel. So we got a click-through rate of 12.6%, which we're super happy with. This is a really cool number, and it's up 11% from last year. Now, the reason why click-through rate is so important for your YouTube channel, if you can't get people to click on your videos, you're not ever going to get views and get that snowball rolling and start growing your YouTube channel. So this click-through rate is really showing how many people are clicking on your video when YouTube shows them an impression of your thumbnail and gives them an option to watch your video. So 12.6% of the time, we are getting people to click on our videos. So let's have a look at where the traffic is coming from. So most of it is from YouTube search. We're at 58%, external at 31%, and then the rest are smaller figures. And it's really nice to look at impressions and how they led to watch time. 4.7 million impressions with a click-through rate of 12.6%. That led to 590,000 views from those impressions with an average view duration of 125. So now this average view duration is really important. So let's dig into that. So we're going to head into the engagement tab and across to average view duration. So our average view duration for the channel for 2021 was 1 minute and 17 seconds. So that's quite low, and that's one of the things we want to focus on going into 2022. Creating quality content that people want to watch for a longer period of time will be a great indication of how much people are enjoying your videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to have a look at our videos that are performing better, that are getting better audience retention, and try and create more videos like this, where we're getting people to watch further, because that's showing that they're actually enjoying the video more. So we can have a look and make more videos like this and less videos that are below our average. And then one of the other things I want you to focus on is your session time. So once you've got someone to watch your video all the way to the end, we want to then increase the time that they're spending on YouTube. So this is the session time, and it's really how many videos are you getting people to watch and how long are they watching those videos as a combined time. YouTube looks at this because it's a great metric for them to measure how a creator is doing for them in generating revenue. So the more revenue you can generate for YouTube, which means the longer you can keep a viewer on YouTube, the more ads YouTube can show to them. So it's way more valuable for them. So if you are getting a longer session time, they're going to start pushing your videos out more and promoting you as a creator. This is how you get going and start growing your YouTube channel. And then let's have a look at revenue, because I know everyone loves to see how much revenue we are making on the channel. So our estimated revenue for 2021 was $5,421. And on average, we earned $4.98 per 1,000 views. Our playback-based CPM was $11.69. So let me know in the comment section down below if you think this is low or high, and whereabouts are you on the scale? Are you around where we are? Are you higher or are you lower? And let us know what niche you're in, because it's always nice to see which niches are getting the most exposure. And then I want to have a little competition with you guys. I want you to let me know in the comment section down below how many views you think we're going to get on this channel in 2022. And we'll have a little special announcement for the subscriber that gets closest to the amount of views that we get in 2022. If you like this video and you want to see more videos of us diving into the analytics of our channel, make sure you hit that like button so I know that you guys enjoy this kind of content. And thank you so much for being a part of this community in 2021. It's so exciting to see this channel going, and we love creating these videos for you guys. So thanks so much for the support, and it's so great to have you as part of our community. If you're ready to get into the next video, we've got it ready for you right here.